Right, you got yourself a mouse or a rat problem. Number one, stop using peanut butter, stop using Vegemite and jam. They're just going to lick that out of your traps. What you want to do is get yourself some grains, whole grain bread, wheat grain bread, or some pumpkin seeds, something seeds. Get 2 bottles, cut the bottom off and the top off one, and the other one just cut the top off and use the cone. You're going to set them back to front at the top. And then what you want to do is join the 2 bottles together. Put yourself a bit of number 4 wire through the top from here, and from here down is going to be filled with water to be able to drown them. Join your bottles together, put your cone piece back to front up the other way in there, get yourself a rag or toilet paper, anything from to climb up the top side of. Then on the top here you want to put a rope and dangle a wee bit down. He thinks he's going to stand on a platform. That platform you'll have bread around the outside of it, put pumpkin seeds in it. He drops down, and as soon as he drops down it goes boom, drops him in the water and he drowns. Now you've caught your rat. There's no blood and mess to clean up. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. To dispose of, just take the cap off and tip it out. Bam. You got rid of your rat and your mouse.